Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video or in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Zoho CRM to WordPress in 2024. Integrating, of course, Zoho CRM with your WordPress site can streamline your data management and also enhance your customer interactions. So today we will guide you through the steps to set up this connection. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, you'll need to visit both WordPress and Zoho CRM. So go to the URL section, type zoho.com. Of course, if you're in Australia or something like that, depending on your location, just type like Zoho with nothing. Then simply go and click on the first option. It will take you right away to the link that you should be in. And the same, of course, will be for WordPress. So go and type like wordpress.com and hit the enter button. For me here, I'll just open my WordPress, my local host. But anyway, of course, if it's your first time basically on Zoho, all you need to do just go and click on sign in at the top right corner. Make sure to sign in into your account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create an account. You can use Google, LinkedIn, and Microsoft if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating and even logging in into your account. You have a lot of options while logging in as well. So as you can see, a lot of options. So the same will be for WordPress. Of course, if it's your first time, basically you'll be taken to this page. And of course, here you'll have to click on login to log in into an account. If you don't have one, you'll need to go and create a new account. And you can do that also with these options if you don't want to fill up your information manually. Of course, now how can we prepare or can we establish a connection between Zoho CRM and WordPress? Normally on WordPress, we will establish connections between like WordPress and anything else by a plugin. How can you access that? Basically, go to your WordPress, of course, on Zoho CRM or Zoho.com. Make sure to click on CRM so you can access exactly like Zoho CRM. And yeah, as simple as that. Then click on access Zoho CRM and you should be at it right away. So now, once you are on Zoho CRM, as you can see, you're all good to go. You have your Zoho CRM accounts prepared, and if you don't have like WordPress, make sure to have it. Now you'll have to go to this list panel on WordPress. Just go and click on plugins. Of course, normally you will not find it like that, but basically, just go to plugins. I'm just waiting for my local host until it's opened. And as you can see, once you go to plugins here, you'll have to look for Zoho. All you need to do, yeah, Zoho CRM, and hit the enter button. And as you can see here, you'll find plugins that will let you connect to Zoho CRM, as you can see. So this one is example. You can, if you have like a WooCommerce website in WordPress, you can simply just connect it, as you can see right away, and you'll be able to create contacts and a lot of other stuff. This will let you, as example, websites are one of the most important sources. As example, to let you basically just connect to your Zoho CRM and other like plugins. So you have here a lot of plugins. You can simply just see the description, see the reviews of other people. So wait, this did not work. But anyway, you'll have, of course, to go and look for the reviews of other people and a lot of other stuff to simply just go and download. For me, as you can see, they'll tell me to upgrade and activate because I don't have a plan. That's why I was trying to open like my local host to show you an example exactly how to do it. But basically, it's not working for some reason. Basically, for you, once you just go, you'll have to hover plugin, click on add a new plugin, look for Zoho CRM, and download whatever suits you depending on the description that it gives and of course the like rating of other people. Once you look for whatever you want, just install it and download it, and of course then activate it. Once it's activated, you can simply just connect to your Zoho CRM account and you should be good to go. Other than that, you can use some third-party app tool called like Zapier, not authorized, like automate.io, and a lot of other like tools like this one. So for me in this video, as example, we'll look for Zapier. I'll just see if Zoho CRM and WordPress exists here. Zoho CRM exists, but I'm not sure about WordPress. We'll just check it out. Why? Because this will not let you just establish a connection between the two platforms, but also will allow you to automate stuff between the two of them. So as an example, if we go here to this list, of course, if you don't have an account, basically you'll be taken to this like page. You can simply just click on login if you have an account. If you don't, just go and click on sign up and make sure to sign up with your Google account, or you can enter your, of course, informations manually. Of course, you'll also get a 14 days free trial of premium apps and features. And of course, after that, you can use free forever. You don't have to worry about it. So just go to this list panel, and of course, you'll have to go and connect your apps, starting by Zoho as example. So just go here to search and type Zoho like CRM. Once you find it, of course, just go and click on connects and make sure here to choose like the domain of your Zoho. So for me, it's zoho.com. For you, you'll basically have to go to your Zoho and see here what's domain you have. So zoho.com, that's it. Or you have after it like .au, .eu, or .au, like Australia, or I don't know, Europe, or maybe China, I don't know, India, Japan. So you have a lot of options. So you'll have to check whatever suits you. For me, it's .com. Just write like that. I'll just go and choose here .com, click on yes, continue. And here they'll basically tell me if I want to give access to all of these stuff. If I accept, I'll just click on accept. And of course, the connection will be established for me. I'm already connected to my Zoho. The same will be for WordPress. I'll just go back here and look for Word like Press. As simple as that. And as you can see, yeah, WordPress exists here. So all you need to do, just go again and click on connect, and you'll need again to connect to your like WordPress account. All you need to do here, simply enter your base URL, your username and password, then click on yes, continue to WordPress, and you should be logged in into your account. As you can see, they'll give you all the information that you want, where you can get from this URL from, and of course the user and username and password, where you'll have to enter those stuff. Once it's both connected, you can simply go to this list panel, click on create zaps, and here of course you can start choosing the trigger and the event that will trigger that, and the action that should be done after this trigger is triggered. I don't know if you understand what I mean exactly, but of course with trying you'll understand everything. Of course you can even use this Copilot or AI tool, which will let you like connect the two things. So you can simply say here, when I receive a new data, maybe in Zoho, maybe create products and my WordPress. You can do that. For me, I don't know what exactly you want to establish with this connection. So I'll just go here and type something random like connect WordPress as example to Zoho CRM specifically, and hit the enter button. As you can see, it will create everything for me. I'll basically have to add those steps by this button as example. Click on add all those steps, and now I have to solve any problems like this gray triangle or black, as you can see. And I'll have to, of course, I'll be able even to change the event or the trigger. I'll be able to do all the stuff that I want. So, as example here in WordPress, if I go here, I can change the event into, instead of the trigger of a new post, I can make new comments as the trigger. And after that, what this Zoho CRM should do, it should convert a lead or add an attachment, add a tag. You can like automate a lot of stuff. Just go, of course, and fix the option depending, or fix the problems depending on whatever you want. So here you have to fill up those things depending on what events you choose, and the same will be for this one. So example here, I'll have to connect into my WordPress account, then simply just check the trigger, then test it. If both are tested, you can publish it, and you can automate the thing that you entered here. And of course, you can like automate unlimited things with the Zapier. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.